time tell you make me hear. No. I'm not ramp with you. And if you don't say it, I will put you out of the house.
2, 1, 2, 2, 2 is 4, 2, 3, 6, 2, 4 is 8, 2, 5, 10, 2, 6 is 12,
think you're a big man, you know?
2, 10, 20, 2, 11, 20.
Give me this.
2, 12, 20.
I be a Jeremy. Say it 2 times now, make me hear you.
2, 1, 2, 2, 2 is 100, 2, 3, 65, and 2, 10.
I stop saying you go to school. Because you waste my money. Say it 2 times, make me hear.
2, 1, 2, 2, 10, 60, 2, 11, 55, and 2, 12, 104.
All your teacher must have a 1 time with you. Say it 2 times, make me hear. And you don't get no dinner in if you don't say it. Look again, look again. Because I don't want to break your back. Look again.
2, 1, 2, 2, 2 is 4, 2. That man have to pay me run every money to them. I nah move. I nah move. Him have to pay me run every money to them. Affy. One of them dragon back let me give him cross. If they can't tell people run every money and I want to pay them. Are you there away for now? When people run every money there? What? When the people run money there, fake the people trying to pay. I hide. Yeah, hide. Me hide. The keys have money. The keys have money. The keys have money. The people run money. I want you to lock down. I'm saying Andrew Wallace trying to give him a buckle. Pay the people run money. I want to stab you up. I want to stab you up. You can't run money. You can't stop me. I get people in China want to pay. For now, get people in China want to pay. For get people in China want to pay. Me stab you. For money, me they are bleed for you. Pay people them run up in money.
Jamaican chopper be like.
Hello, Mr. Johnson. How are you? You need to send $2.5 million. I'm gonna send you the name and you send it through Western Union. Yeah, so you're gonna send the money. I got a piece of pen and a piece of paper and I write down this information. Now jump! No, sorry about that. Sorry about that. If you send the money from Spanish Town, it will be good. He's a Jamaican. Them kill him, Jesus Christ, them kill him. My last minute, them kill him. Jesus Christ, oh, wake up. Officer, create a wicked. Officer, create a wicked and innocent, and the last minute they about to take you away. Jesus Christ, boy, we need justice. Wake up, Judah, wake up. Officer, create a wicked, we get them out now, but Jesus Christ, don't kill the last one. Why, Jesus Christ, don't kill the benefit. Officer, you're wicked, officer, create. Let them all slide up. And they shall start fire, wait up, let them kill my son. I work. Him not kill nobody. Him on a team. I innocent kill him. Come down the yard. Come kill him. We need justice. Why? Why many hurt? Why? Master, let's kill Julia. I wanna go. Let's kill Julia. Come down.
High school days be like.
Hey boy, where are the pan black?
Why you alone?
Hey boy, I'm tell you, stop
Boy.
No, give me this.
You alone.
Hey boy, where am I?
No, bucket. No, come my brother. Right here. You want your baby me up?
Ooh.
Him.
Yo, hold on, brother.
One boxing back. Don't leave me. One boxing again. Don't leave me again. No, you might be.
One taxi fare increase.
Uncle, stop cussing me, tell you one more one. Wait there. Sit down. Uncle. What you do?
Yo, me not ready yet. Me not ready yet, charge. Me not ready yet, charge. Me not ready to carry ram charge. I don't ready yet.
Alright, come on, what you do?
I don't ready yet.
Why you tell her
Me say me not ready yet. I don't ready yet.
Hey! Let me tell you last week. Why you tell her half a tree, uncle?
Me not ready yet. I don't ready. I don't ready.
Why you tell her half a tree?
Driver, what you do? Driver! 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 What? Oh, look at that ass. No, Jesus, no. Oh, Jesus. No, oh, fuck, no. No. Oh, look at that stand up. You got bow legs? Oh, no, babe. Jesus Christ. No, ooh. No, man. Jesus, look at the painting. Oh, you look like Cardi B, like. No. Shade Kingdom. Look at that pose. Wow. Hi. Jesus Christ. No, stop it. Why are you smiling? Stop it. Jeez, what? Look at that shake. No. Why are you grabbing the phone? No, why are you grabbing the phone? No.
Every Caribbean man when frying egg.
Tick, banana.
I say banana.
Better
I just say eat banana. Hold this. I just say eat banana. I see you. I tell the man them. I see you.
My way to the
I see you go up, so I see you. I tell the man.
I
I see banana.
cut the banana.
With what? With what? I tell the man.
Don't do that.
I tell the man.
Don't do that, brother.
I trust you. I tell the man them.